So this is the elevator at the Market Square Shopping Centre, Carrickmacross. It's a Kone Eco Disc.
Now hurry up and press. What number are we going?
Sinead's.
You know where to go, do you? Doors closing. Yeah. No, we can't be on this. People are trying to get on this lift. This was a bad idea.
First floor. Doors opening.
Yeah, we're down to the ground.
Going down. Doors closing.
Now hurry up and put that away, will you?
Ground floor.
Now we're finished.
Doors
Oh,
opening.
hi.
Now we're going. Give us your phone now. That's it now. Come. Now. That way. Go on, go on.